Hi everyone, Luminary back with another video in our space series. This time we're going to take a look at the planets in our solar system that are closest to the Sun, the interior rocky planets. Our solar system is a diverse place. It's filled with planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and each one is more fascinating than the last. Today we'll journey to the inner region of our solar system. Fasten your seatbelts as we explore the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. What makes a planet terrestrial? That's a good question. These rocky worlds are more than just lumps of space debris. They share key characteristics like solid surfaces you could walk on. That is, if you could survive the extreme conditions you might find on some of them. These planets are composed mainly of rock and metal, unlike the gas giants that are lurking in the outer solar system. Join me as we delve into each of these fascinating worlds, comparing their scorching surfaces, frigid poles, and everything in between. We'll unearth the secrets hidden beneath their surfaces. Along the way, we'll discover what makes each planet unique. Get ready for an adventure. First stop, Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Don't let its size fool you, though. This little planet is a real speed demon, zipping around the sun faster than any other planet in our solar system. Mercury is a world of extremes. During the day, temperatures can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but without an atmosphere to hold in the heat, temperatures plummet to about negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Talk about a temperature swing. This planet is also heavily cratered, bearing the scars of countless collisions with asteroids and comets. These craters are a testament to the early days of our solar system. It was a chaotic time when celestial objects constantly crashed into each other. Mercury might seem like a barren world, but it holds many secrets waiting to be unlocked. Scientists are eager to learn more about its unusual magnetic field and its surprisingly dense core. Mercury has no known moons and has a diameter of just over 3,000 miles. Believe it or not, this is less than the distance between Orlando, Florida and London, England. Because Mercury is less than 60 million kilometers from the Sun, it orbits fairly quickly. A year on Mercury takes only 88 days, but again, because of its closeness to the Sun, Mercury has a very slow rate of rotation. A day on Mercury takes approximately 59 Earth days. Next up is Venus, Earth's closest planetary neighbor. At first glance, Venus might seem like Earth's twin. It's similar in size and mass to our planet. However, looks can be deceiving. Venus possesses a thick, toxic atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide. This atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures on Venus can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. The surface of Venus is a hellish landscape of volcanoes, vast plains, and towering mountains. It's a world shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid that rain down on the surface. This isn't exactly the kind of rain you want to get caught in. Despite its hostile environment, Venus holds valuable clues about the evolution of planets and the dangers of runaway greenhouse effects. Venus, like Mercury, has no known moons and a diameter of just over 7,500 miles. This is very similar to Earth's diameter of just over 7,900 miles. Venus, along with Uranus, are the only planets in the solar system that rotate clockwise. Because of this, it has a very slow rotation, where a day on Venus takes about 243 Earth days. And it's actually shorter than a Venusian year, which takes about 225 Earth days. Now we arrive at our home planet, Earth, a vibrant oasis in the vastness of space. From space, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, as Carl Sagan once said. It's a testament to the life-giving oceans that cover most of its surface. Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of nitrogen and oxygen and other gases, and it also protects us from the harsh radiation of space. It also helps regulate our planet's temperature, creating the perfect conditions for life to thrive. Our planet teems with life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales. Earth's biodiversity is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life itself. We are incredibly lucky to call this planet home. As we explore other planets, we realize just how precious and fragile our own planet is. It's a reminder that we must protect our home, not only for ourselves, but for all future generations. Earth has only one moon, and as mentioned before, Earth has a diameter of just over 7,900 miles. You should already know this, but a day on Earth takes about 24 hours, and 1 year, or one orbital period around the Sun, takes just over 365 days. After Earth, Mars, the red planet, beckons. This is our final inner solar system destination. Our celestial neighbor has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Its rusty red color comes from iron oxide or rust, which is prevalent on its surface. Mars is a cold, dry planet with a thin atmosphere, but evidence suggests that Mars was once a much warmer and wetter place, perhaps even capable of supporting life. Scientists believe that ancient rivers, lakes, and even oceans once existed on Mars. Today, we send robotic explorers to Mars to search for signs of past or present life and the possibility of future colonization. The dream of one day setting foot on Mars is becoming more tangible as we continue to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic world. Perhaps one day humans will walk on the surface of Mars, continuing our exploration of the terrestrial planets firsthand. Mars has a diameter of only 4,221 miles, making it significantly smaller than Earth. The red planet has two known moons, Phobos and Deimos, both of which are significantly smaller than Earth's moon. Also, unlike Earth's moon, both of Mars's moons are moving closer to their planet, and someday will either collide with it or break apart, forming a ring system that is smaller but not unlike Saturn's system. A day on Mars is similar to an Earth day, taking about 24.6 hours, but since it has a larger orbital distance than Earth, a year is a bit longer than ours. 1 year on Mars takes approximately 687 Earth days. And with that, we wrap up another one. I hope you enjoyed this one and learned something. If you did, please help us out by liking this video, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks again, and see you next time.